In this video, we will body recomposition diet guide, meal, workout and tips to accelerate recomping, so let's start now. Body recomposition diet restores healthy fat, regains muscle mass, and lets you have the perfect physique. Didn't understand? Let us explain. Losing weight is not the issue unless you come across stubborn lumps around your belly, thighs, and arms. Some suggest you do certain specific area exercises that are too tough to follow, while others come up with green tea ideas. But, in the end, you see, nothing is really helping, and the thickness bulging is increasing with each passing day. What if we tell you, with body recomposition diet, now you can have flat belly adorned with six-packs, skinny limbs, and no fat residue anywhere? This is true. To know all about body recomp, read this article till the end as it has a free body recomposition meal plan and workout plan from experts. What is body recomp? The body recomp or recomposition process helps you lose stubborn fat and build muscles simultaneously to let you get your youthful physique back. Although some exercises are involved, a major in this process is plain body recomposition diet based on certain meals, we explain in the lines coming ahead. For more information, our body is composed of the proportions of lean body mass, bones, water, and natural muscle mass, and fat residue, meat bulges due to age or bad habits. So, recomposition means maintaining your body's lean or natural mass while decreasing, diminishing, or sacking the fat residue. How to body recomp. How to start and accelerate the recomposition process in your body, if you ask. Well, body recomposition diet is the main helper in this regard. As the built-up fat has different ratios, the body recomposition regime will also vary for different people. So every specific person out there will have to track calories and macronutrients. Let us explain a little bit for a better idea. Determine your primary goal. Body recomposition means losing mass and gaining muscles simultaneously, so firstly, you will have to conclude your primary goal of following such diet plans. For example, people on the lean side will aim to gain muscles, while people with obesity will have the primary purpose of losing stubborn fat. After that, go with calculating calorie and macronutrient intake. Body recomp calories based on your aim of following a body recomposition diet plan. The next step is to calculate the number of calories you will consume in a day, per meal basis. You can use an online body recomp calorie calculator in this regard. However, if you want to do it manually, there are 3 ways to calculate it for more precise results. Body recomposition macros, aka macronutrients, are the significant minerals and vitamins your body requires. For body recomposition diet, protein, carbs, and fats are the most crucial body recomping macros.